Hi, I'm Captain Hal with Inshore Charters and the Sirens Law, and today we've got a Bimini top from Leader Accessories. We're going to install on the boat because Siren has got melanoma cancers popping up all over. We got to keep her out of the sun so she's around forever. Inside the box comes with everything you need to install it. I do have a little bit of special hardware because this is a flats boat. We do a lot of fly fishing and running around. You don't want anything on the deck sticking up, trip over, or for your fly line to get caught on. So that'll be in there too. So up to this part, everything just kind of snaps together. This one support slides into the bottom, bolt goes on one side, screw goes in the other. They provide a screwdriver and the bolts to put that together. So the easiest way to figure out where you want the Bimini top, kind of do a dry run. So I'm not sure where I want it. That looks good. So just kind of fold it up where you think about it'll go. And it clears my seat, clears my polling platform. Go over. There you go. It'll cover my seat. It'll cover the cooler seat in the front. Kind of get the whole sitting area here. Be perfect. So to attach your Bimini top to the boat, Leader Accessories sends you this piece. This piece installs to your boat. 2 pilot holes, 2 screws. Slide in. Take your nut, this side, and you just screw it together. And your top pivots on this point. But because I'm hard-headed, let's go to the other side and show you what I'm going to use that I ordered off Amazon. So I ordered these off of Amazon. They're stainless steel alternative flush mounts for your Bimini top. You get this part, screws onto your end, and it snaps in. And when you don't want to use your Bimini top, it's flush, it's smooth, fly line, it's not a trip hazard. It's better for a small boat, especially like mine with big gunwales that I actually use to walk up and down. So I want to be here, mark where I'm going to screw the holes. And I'm drilling pilot holes. So, with everything, when you don't use the parts that come with it and you try to go your own way, since this is not Leader Accessories, it doesn't fit. So, it's easy fix. I'm going to sand down each side of this so it fits in that gap. To do that, I am going to use this. I do not recommend this. I recommend using their accessories. I have a special case. We like to fly fish, and I need to be able to run up and down these gunnels without worrying about falling. But I don't suggest it. So the next step is to put the top on. I like to do this, give the top some structure so I can figure out where to put my straps. Tell you which way's the front. So this is a little different design than I'm used to. Bimini tops I've installed in the past had zippers. This does not. So probably would be best if you put the top on before you install it to the boat. Also, always read directions. I probably would have known that if I'd read the directions. But who reads directions, right? That is perfect. That's the perfect spot. So next we have to install the straps. The straps go in here and they attach to these little hooks. So I like to put the straps on, have it topped up, figure out a nice logical out of the way spot to put these. So on the back, to figure out where the cleats go, kind of just like the forward, try to figure out what makes sense. We've got a line going around the beam right here, so you'd want to put the cleat around the same, right in line with that. You know, a good arc where we're pulling down on the top to make it tight. Loose top is a damaged top. All finished. Straps down, everything seems really secure. Just need to go button up, make sure all the buckles match, all the screws are tight, and we're done.